Hey doll lovers, welcome back to Craft Geek TV. Today we've got something extra special, a doll transformation like no other, and all thanks to amazing finds at Dee Dee's discount store. That's right, I picked up made-to-move dolls for less than $5 each on clearance. Let's dive into this. Okay, so starting out, I got this Glamour Girl a few months ago. She was $9.99 at Dee Dee's, and I still thought it was a dope deal back then. That was like in November. There was the bike, it's got a little basket, the little replacement pedals, she's got a little helmet and whatnot, and a little cute little romper and everything. So I was excited. I'm going to swap her out with my fashion doll. So this is my seamstress doll. Barbie can be anything. She's so pretty. I love her bun. And so I just want that articulated body. So we're going to swap it out. Okay, meet Paige. Now she's a naturalista and I'm a natural girl. So I'm loving all of her girls. And I found a doll for her too to swap her body out. So she's articulated as well. Now, this doll that I got for her, it was on clearance, and it was only $3.99, $4.99, something like that. I couldn't go buy and just not get it. I had to have her. So, same as the previous doll, only difference, one is black and one is white. And so we are going to get these girls prepped and ready for the exchange. Okay, so one of my biggest concerns with doing their hair is I don't be wanting to mess it up. So, like my little stand that I made, I'm going to show y'all this 3D print. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to cover her hair with plastic, both of them. So, these little snack bags where you put your little snacks in, you just stick her hair right on in there because I just don't want to mess her hair up. So I'm just going to cover her like that. Okay, and then I'm going to stick her in the water. I'm going to get a little tie, put it around there, keep it nice and tight. Now, my next girl is Paige. And so Paige got all this natural hair, and I don't want Paige hair to get messed up. So this is Paige really the reason why I was like, oh my God, I got to figure out something to do with their hair. So I'm going to put her hair in this bag, because I gotta swap their bodies. Here. Look at Paige. And so, let's go ahead and tie them up, and then we're gonna dunk them. Okay, so as you can see, I covered their heads in plastic, and I just used little rubber bands to close the plastic bags up. Just a little rubber band, about that big. Okay, and so now fill this with some hot water and dunk them. Okay, so I'm gonna be honest. I'm not covering these dolls' heads up because I don't really like them. I just want their body. I just want the body. And for $3.50, I can't beat. I think she was $3.49. Anyway, stick her in there. She's going in the water. She's going in the water. And then my two booby babes are going in the water. And I just want to dip her head in there just enough to get it wet. I ain't trying to get everything soaked. Don't try to take all the space. So we're going to leave them in here. They're going to stay in here for 2 to 3 minutes, get their heads nice and soft. And then we're just going to do a swap off. And I'll let you guys see what they look like after. Okay, so when I came back, I just pulled her head off. And it came off real easy. So one body down. Body down. All right, my next victim. Girl, that hair is soaking wet. Watch this. Whoop. They just come right on off. Okay. This is my fashion doll. This is the doll that came with the She came with the whole sewing machine. She's a fashion designer. So let's take this off while she looking like she a victim. Okay, we have to change these colors too, huh? Good child. And her hair ain't all good. Hi, look at me. I'm cute. All right, so that worked out. Okay, this is my big girl right here. This is what I'm mainly worried about. And her head, it feels kind of hard. So I don't know. Let's see if it come off. I might have to stick her back in, because when I came back in here, she had done popped up out the thing. Buoyancy and hair. I can get this off open. Okay. I got her. Like, she not hard enough. I might have to do her again. Cause she almost there. Almost there. Come on out. Come on, girl. You can do it. You can do it. Okay. Part of the head is out. See that? I see. Little part. Boom. Good child. Okay. Let's put this head on here. We're just gonna use that to push her in. Good today. Let's go down and let's come back up. Okay. Down and up. And see, ta-da! And then, once I took all of that, I took her bag off. Her hair ain't soaking wet. So it's like, it was easier for me to style it and stuff. Get her back on point. Ooh. But, okay. Alright, we got moving bodies now. I ain't gonna lie. I don't like the skin color. And so, it'll do. It'll do for now. It'll do for now. It will do for now. I really like the Naturalista dolls. I just wish they were articulated. And so, that's why I pulled out my girl Layla in there. Girl, I gotta find your earring. Is it in your hair? Is it in your hair? It must be in your bag. Oh, there it go. There's your earring, girl. Do. All right. Okay, and I gotta change their clothes out these little rompers. But other than that, we're sisters. We're sisters and we're not colored. Do. Give me a high five. Burn out. I'm such a dork. I love it. We got articulation. Yay. Okay, so I gotta share this. So when switching the bodies out, so this is the Naturalista body. And look how big, she got some big feet. She really do. Compared to this doll. So when I took the shoes off and tried to put the shoes on, Lord today, look at that. So, but my other Barbie shoes will work. So